Hello, everyone. I'm laying out my plan to become a millionaire in 2024. Are you ready? Let's get started. As you know, the bear market for Bitcoin has ended, meaning we've moved away from the downtrend. We're in a crucial time. The markets are on an upward trajectory for several reasons. The primary reason is the high likelihood of Bitcoin's spot ETF getting approval. We have until the 10th of January, and it's highly probable that spot ETFs will be approved. Another reason for the market's surge is the impending Bitcoin halving. It's approaching rapidly. You can see the halving date here. Beyond these, during the Federal Reserve meetings, there are plans to decrease interest rates. When new money is printed, a portion of it will flow into the crypto markets. Additionally, the U.S. elections will take place in 2024. Generally, during election times, the markets tend to trend upward. So there are numerous reasons for the markets to surge. Now, let me outline my plan to become a millionaire in 2024. Firstly, I plan to stay in the right zone. If the value of any coin I hold isn't rising, it wouldn't make sense to sell my coin to buy one that's already on the rise. If I do, I might regret it when the coin I sold starts to rise. I believe that if I stay in the right zone and exercise patience, I'll make a profit. Before investing, I conduct thorough research. Before purchasing an asset, you should examine the project thoroughly and master all the details. Let me show you something. Look at the Bitcoin dominance on CoinMarketCap. Right next to it, there's Ethereum dominance. What does this mean? Ethereum isn't just an altcoin, it's an asset equivalent to Bitcoin. Moreover, Ethereum has proven itself to be a trustworthy asset. That's why I hold a considerable amount of Ethereum. Apart from Ethereum, I also invest in altcoins. Within CoinMarketCap, there are tabs where you can find artificial intelligence coins or gaming coins. I invest in the ones that interest me the most and show promise after researching. Sometimes, I take small chances just to test my luck. When investing, I diversify and distribute my risks. Also, I stagger my investments over different times, aiming to stay around the average price. You can maintain an average price by making fragmented purchases. I recommend watching my videos on automated investments for this. There's one more crucial point. It's challenging for coins that surged significantly in the previous bull market to reach their peak in the upcoming bull season. For instance, a coin that peaked at $10 in the last bull season will find it challenging to reach $10 in the next one. Because at each surge point, there'll be selling pressure from previous investors, slowing down its rise. That's why I don't prefer investing in old coins. Instead, I research and invest in new competitors. During the mega bull season, we'll witness coins increasing by 10, 100, or even 10,000 times. All we need to do is research and find the newest and most valuable competitors of the coins that surged in the previous bull market. Becoming a millionaire in 2024 isn't really that difficult. With the right strategies, achieving significant gains is possible. For those who are curious, I can share the coins in my portfolio soon. However, it would be a wiser choice to manage your gains and risks yourself. That's all for now. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.